Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Can you say hi? Say Happy New Year. So today, as you can see, we're kind of being bummy, laying around the house, but it's time to get in gear. We have got to get going with our exercise program for the new year like we've been talking about. And what better way than to treat yourself with some new workout clothes. So thank you to Yvette for sponsoring today's video and sending these super cute clothes that we are getting ready to go try on. You ready? Are you ready to go put your new outfit on? It's so exciting. Are these clothes not the cutest? And how cute does Abigail look? I mean, you obviously should exercise if that's part of your goal, but if not, they're super comfy to just lay around the house. I'm getting used to these little finger things. I mean, I have to be honest, guys, like I've never been an exercise kind of girl. I'm super self-conscious right now because these leggings make me feel naked. They are so soft, so smooth. Sports bras, they are amazing. When I used to buy sports bras, they looked like granny bras. Like they were not cute at all. I love these. They are so cute. You're not going to see my sports bra right now. Yeah, this is not the girl for that kind of thing. Again, I'm super self-conscious, guys. I don't want to show my sports bra off, but I guarantee it is so cute. It's crisscross back. Maybe I'll let Asa do a little close-up of that. And also, for you well-endowed ladies, that doesn't include me, but these are going to help all your things stay in all the right places and not jiggle and all that, okay? That's important. I know that's important. So I like them because they thought about plus size girls, because although I am in my weight loss journey, I'm down 95 pounds, I'm still plus size. The sizing, I did go up a size on everything. Do you love it? Isn't it so comfy? A couple of the features I really like are the YKK zippers, easy on and easy off. That could get dangerous. I also love that they use Cool Max in their fabric because that means your clothes are going to last a lot longer when you sweat and stuff like that. Obviously, that's what you need to be doing when you work out, but you don't want it to ruin your clothes. So again, I'm going to get used to these little finger things. I'm really not sure what the point of them are, but they're cute. Okay, I can go with it. And you can take your cell phone, put it in your little cell phone pocket. Look at that. That's my favorite part. I kind of like the jacket. I feel like I could wear this just every day as a casual jacket. It also has the YKK zippers, which are super easy to go up and down. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5, guys. I really like it. If you are interested in getting your Yvette sportswear, go ahead and click in the link below. Use Priscilla15 in checkout, and you're gonna get 15% off everything on their website. I've written down this year, not necessarily resolutions, but just things I want to work on, whether it be like in my business. You know, we want to make sure we're doing daily vlogging, going on walks 4 days a week is our goal as a family, cooking 4 days a week, right, Ab? You want to cook? And just making things easier. You know, everything doesn't have to be over the top. You know, think quick and easy and that kind of stuff. And you don't have to have a gym membership. Go out in your community and walk in your neighborhood. Some other things I want to do are make sure I'm going live on my Lipstick Mama page a couple of days a week. And what do you think, Ab? What's your goal? Is your goal to walk with Mom? Come on. Come on. I think Abbie really gets a lot out of walking. We have walked way more in this neighborhood than our old neighborhood. And so she really likes it, I think. Of course, Maverick loves getting out. So yeah, those are kind of some of my New Year's goals, not necessarily resolutions. We are trying to include as many family members as possible. So the kids went out and got Nala a cat leash. She's not a fan so far. Come on, Nala. Come on. Nala, come on. Look. Look. We're dying out over here, guys. We're dropping like flies. There she is. Maverick, stay back.
Good job.
Come on, Nala.
Come on.
Come on.
She's like shaking.
Come on.
She's not happening. Now let's just pick her up.
Okay, come on, Ab. Or she's freaking out, but she's never been outside. So we'll just have to get her used to it. Desensitize her. Maverick, on the other hand. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, what are some of your goals? If you don't have resolutions, make goals. Everybody needs goals. I do much better when I have goals to focus on. You want to run? Are you ready? Let's run. Come on. Let's sprint. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on, you can do this. Hey, can you do jumping jacks? Look, do like this. You do it, jump. So do you think you could do this 4 days a week? I think we could do it. We'll get faster and then we'll start like doing little jogs. That'll be fun, huh? You wanna do it? High five? High five? Aw, I think we can do it. We'll get some healthy snacks. You really like celery and maybe some apples. That'll be fun, huh? Can you pick up some leaves? Look, you got your leaves? Now throw them. Throw them. Good job, Ab. Ready? Throw. Throw them. Throw them. Throw them. You're so cute. Yeah, she'll run home. Look, we are changing so many things, but I'm just excited for the new year. I think with change, we'll have growing pains, but in the end, it's going to make us just better people and healthier and just well-being. So all around. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate it. Don't forget, click in the link down below, Priscilla15, and you're going to get 15% off of everything on their website. So we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Should I like do a spin or something? I don't know. I should. You think I should do a spin? Why don't you spin? Woo! Maverick's like, Mom, what are you doing? I know, Maverick. I know. Yeah. He's fine. Say, I'm so excited. Hey. He's Maverick, you're so embarrassing. What are you laughing about?